morning, y'all. It is 4:45 in the morning. And I gotta go start picking these losers up. Georgia, baby! Oh, fuck. Do I really want to go on this trip? I don't know. This is fun. We're having fun. We're having fun. This is fun. Here's all the stuff, all my stuff. Well, actually, it's basically mine and Sarah's stuff because she, like, didn't pack anything. She forgot so much shit. But, yeah, here you go. I think I have everything. I mean, I'm going down to pack the car now, so I better fucking have everything. Cam, cut to me forgetting something. Vlog time.
I thought we were using Cam's phone.
Yeah, I started filming.
Ghost! Ghost! I cut the thing out of his hand. Yeah, it's a stain on his forehead. I know.
What is that?
Winston found him in my bag.
Cam.
Last episode.
We watched the last 2 episodes together.
America, I'm inside you.
I saw the black man raising up. I thought he was on a mask and Mickey pussy.
We're in Pennsylvania.
You know who was a great traveler? Christopher Columbus. Showed up to a foreign land, enslaved everybody, took credit even though he wasn't the first one there. Can we turn around?
Do you have any final words? I hereby sentence you to death for treason. Where's Jackson? That's terrible form.
Never let him know your next move.
America. I just know this shit's supposed to be ass.
It's a glorified
all
desert.
in the washroom.
We're all shitting ourselves.
Right. Someone put the phone.
West Virginia.
Most he's experiencing the world. I hope your hand gets fucking obliterated by a car. Go see, it's West Virginia. CBS! CBS, guys! West Virginia!
Voice in the morning calls my home far away.
Doesn't know.
Driving down the road, I get a feeling that
West Virginia! Mountain Mama! What is Sam waffling about?
I don't know.
You see the Yeti?
The Sasquatch?
Yeah. Is it the same thing?
It's a Sasquatch.
Isn't that not the same thing?
Like, I think the Yeti is more like the Colorado type of thing. And the Sasquatch is more the, yeah, it's like the thing over here. Where's the Mothman at?
It's in West Virginia, is it not?
Is it not?
We're nowhere near it.
No. West Virginia is a big
I
state.
think we can detour. Like, how far away is it? What's that game where you roll down a hill? What? You ever play that game?
Yeah.
Same morning. Huh? Wait, that's the Wile E. Coyote! She just painted off!
Welcome to Virginia!
It's pretty good.
Yo, Virginia.
This is your state, Sam.
No, it's not.
Tunnel 2!
Walker Mountain Tunnel.
2, 3. Okay, I'm going again.
Walking around this old and empty house.
So hold my hand, I'll walk with you. That's a man right there.
Love that coaster. All the love. This is literally Birds by Alfred Hitchcock.
Look at the
happening
birds.
Here. That house is haunted as She's haunted.
Bro, the birds are circling this one house.
Yeah, that's
so.
actually
Shoot those fuckers out of the sky. Have a
Oh.
nice meal.
the ghost was like.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
To pass the what?
That's so fucking cool.
Is this not like fucking crazy?
Wow.
Ghost.
So I thought this like walked us through it, but I don't know if it does.
We gotta walk.
There's something about the big
Well, we're
pencil.
also here when everything is literally closed.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Ryan and Shane here. Today we're at the Whiteville old.
Wait. Why did you get to be Ryan? Well, is Ryan's the believer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I call being Ryan.
Okay, go.
So this place is definitely haunted. I saw birds above me, and that's like super spooky. So,
And as we're at the Whiteville Old Haunted Asylum, there's birds circling the top of the building.
can we actually watch some BuzzFeed on something? Oh my god, that's freaky.
What is it?
Okay, I changed my mind. I'm no longer Ryan. I'm not Shane either. I'm gonna be Zach from Ghost Adventures.
We have worked years to build our credibility.
All right, guys. Today we're here. Where are we?
I don't know the preservation center.
Jesus fucking Christ! You're the producer. You're supposed to tell me what location we're at. Anyway,
Oh my
it's super
god, there's
haunt-
like photos of like
Shut
dead
up!
people over.
Find some spooky ghouls.
What does a preservation
tonight.
center even mean?
This is freaky.
Dude, somebody's face is gonna pop up in
Yeah,
there.
let's go. Let's go back this way. Let's go back this way.
No, it's
We need
I wanna-
light. There's a picture of us before it turns dark.
That's what MS Paint is for. We draw our pictures.
I don't see any stuff where the pool's at, guys.
Yo, bro, wait, the backside of this is so sick. No, like this place is abandoned though.
This is where we get our picture. Okay, how do we pop the phone?
Bro, we should
All four of us like lying on the stairs.
or like someone this
Like the birds are going in the chimney.
In and out. In and out. 30 seconds. Frick,
Bro, almost all the birds are gone. They're all going inside the building.
Ryan here. Let's get the nighttime mode on. Let's get the GoPros to
Get the
go like
infrared.
this.
They can- Yeah, I know, they're all going in. Like they're almost all gone. Look at, they're all going in. It's a bird paradise in this abandoned building. You got they have the GoPro on in front of them, like literally right here, and this is the angle.
I don't know. They're gone.
They're all gone.
Last two.
The last two birds are gone.
Something flies out the window.
Yo,
What is that shit? Is that like a...
can I get some light in here? This is where you see a fucking body.
A hand takes the floor.
Oh!
I see a McCafe.
That's shit. Is there ghouls still haunting this asylum? I guess we'll never know.
Wasn't just like
Feet on
made it an asylum.
Not an asylum whatsoever. I think it's the preservation center.
Bro, ain't nothing being preserved in this place. There's not a single thing.
The only thing that's being like preserved in there is like
Bird
a safe haven
population.
for meth addicts.
Okay, so this
And
is
like
the
the
Thomas
fucking
Jefferson Museum.
generations of